like a ship sailing out on a trip so rough and long, so far from shore, so far from home. I set out in search of a reason to go on, and then I found it in the eye of the storm. Help me, praise team. No matter, come on, say. No matter what storm clouds may rock this ship of mine, you know. The light of my Savior will lead me safely through the night. And though my ship may be rocky, yes it is, and my sails may be torn, I'll find rest in the eye of dawn. Can you help me with the second verse? Maybe low, but go ahead, sing the second verse.
The wind and water rage and the billows to roll.
The blessed rock of ages speaks peace to my soul.
Speaks peace to my soul.
He holds me. He holds me in his arms, so safe and so warm.
And I found shelter.
Come on, somebody.
In the
eye of the storm. Everybody, stand up where you are right now and say, no matter what storm clouds may rock this ship of mine. You know the light of my Savior will lead me safely through the night. I'm gonna make it all right. Though my ship may be rocky, and my sails, they may be torn, but I'll find rest. One more time with the chorus. No matter, no matter what storm clouds may rock this ship of mine. You know, the light of my Savior lead me safely through the night. Though it may be rocky and my sails may be torn, I'll find rest in the eye of the storm. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. I speak peace in the midst of your storm right now. Somebody watching us, you are full of fear. Don't be fearful. Instead, be faithful, full of faith. Come on, somebody. Look at somebody and tell them, I'm full of faith. I'm not going to let the circumstances trip me up and cause me to fail and fall. I'll find rest in the eye of the storm.